Guys should not always have to make the first move when it comes to kissing. Ladies can and do make the first move all the time. So if you are wondering, how do I get a girl to kiss me? The video is here to help. Today I will be showing you 9 ways that you can make a girl want to kiss you. Sometimes ladies really do want to be the first ones to make the move, but they just need to be shown some signs so that they don't get turned down. Stay tuned. Okay, so you've got to look the part. Ladies like it when a man looks the part. If you are going to meet up with a lady, make sure you have shaved. You might not know this, guys, but stubble is actually really hard and painful against a lady's face. So just seeing it on your face will make her feel more cautious about kissing you because, well, yeah, it could hurt. It also makes it seem like you haven't put much effort into your appearance. So make sure to shave before any date or outing with the lady, and she will love the thought of your soft skin against hers. It will make it much more likely that she will want to plant a kiss on you. You must also dress nicely. It's understandable if you are on a date that is on a beach or a hike that you would be wearing shorts. If you are going out to the movies, going out for dinner, or I don't know, bowling, then yeah, you should dress nicely. Basically, it's important to look the part on the date. This will naturally make you more attractive, which means your crush is more likely to lean in and kiss you. Brush your teeth. If you would like a girl to kiss you, keep up amazing dental hygiene. Guys, girls can pick up on your dental hygiene just from sitting across the table from you. They can smell your breath when they get close to you. So yeah, if it smells clean, they are going to be more likely to kiss you. If it smells anything other, well, they are less likely to want to kiss you, and yeah, that's just not what you want. So make sure to brush your teeth, use mouthwash, and freshen up your breath with gum. You need to drop hints. You get nervous when speaking to a girl that you like, right? You might wonder, does she even like me? Does she even want to kiss me? Well, guys, girls think the exact same things. If you want a girl to kiss you, she needs to understand how you feel. You need to make it obvious that you like her so that she's comfortable enough to lean across the table and kiss you. And to do this, you need to be dropping in some hints. Monitor your body language and make sure that you are displaying open body language, anything that isn't you being closed off like this. So move in closer to the lady, touch her arm or her shoulder. Maintain some good eye contact and flirt where appropriate. She will pretty quickly piece together that you like her, and yes, she will want to kiss you. Be in the right environment. You are less likely to be kissed during a mini golf date than you are at a romantic dinner. If you want the girl to kiss you, you need to make sure that you are in the correct environment. It has to be screaming romance is here. A candlelit dinner, a picnic on the beach, or a romantic walk in the moonlight. These are all very romantic dates. They would naturally lead to a kiss because you are flirting. You are close to each other and you are able to maintain strong eye contact. And if you want to make it extra special and drop a hint that you like her, which could lead into a kiss, you could take a bunch of roses or any form of flowers to your date, or even a box of chocolates. Look at her lips. Now this all comes down to body language. You need to send her signs that you are interested. So to do this, look at her lips while she is talking. Not all the time though. You just need to remember to maintain eye contact, but every so often your eyes can drift down and she will notice what you are doing. She's going to pick up on it. So you also need to be drawing attention to your own lips as well. Ladies are deeply attracted to a man's lips. We just don't really talk about it, so you guys probably never knew. There is just something about them that we like, so occasionally you can lick your lips or you can leave them slightly parted. Make sure you smile to show them off, and if you are both really close and flirting, you could bite the side of your lip as well, and that starts to ramp up that sexual energy. Now the girl simply will not be able to resist your lips, and she will, well, she's going to be leaning in very close to kiss you. pay attention. If you would like a girl to want to kiss you, she needs to feel important to you. She needs to feel like she has your full attention. It could be easy to lose concentration or attention when you are in a busy restaurant. You can find your eyes staring around everything in the room, and this is really off-putting, and it makes the other person think, why am I even here? So guys, make sure to give her your full attention. Nod when she speaks and relay things back to her that she has said so that she knows you really are listening to everything. If she mentions that she has a brother, for example, bring it up later by saying, so you told me you had a brother, but how old is he? Now this is going to deepen that connection. This will make her feel like she is the only girl in the room at that time with you, and yet she is much more likely to want to kiss you. Touch her face. Now guys, you can only do this when it is appropriate. This means you should have been dating a while before you jump into doing this one. Maybe you have been on 3 dates and flirting quite a lot. Well, then it might feel natural to start touching each other. And if you are in a private area and some flirting is going on, you could pull her face gently towards you, or just make eye contact and touch her face gently. That romantic kind of stroke of the face. She might lean in at that point to kiss you, simply because, well, she will not be able to resist that charm anymore. Remember though, gentlemen, if she does not want to kiss you, please do not force it. If it feels right naturally, then go for it. Compliments. Ladies simply love to be complimented, they really do. So give your girl some genuine compliments so that she can gain that confidence around you. Now we did touch on this a little bit earlier on. If you are feeling nervous, then it's possible that she is feeling it too. Try and make it easier on her by making her feel comfortable around you, and that makes you feel a little bit braver to actually talk aloud. Compliments such as, I like your hair, or you look so pretty tonight are all great ones. Just make sure that they really are genuine compliments, and it will make her feel so much better. Important. Don't overthink it. We can all overthink things from time to time, and that's perfectly normal. Normally though, if we do overthink things, it makes us much more nervous and then we appear less natural. You want to be as natural as possible around the girl that you like. And if you are giving off nervous energy, she might think that you actually don't like her. It could even make her so nervous as well that she doesn't even want to get close to you to kiss you, so you need to chill out a little bit. The best way to kill that overthinking is to formulate a plan. Make sure you have a strategy in place. Think about the points mentioned above and think about some ways that you can work them in. Also, make sure to plan a date that is appropriate for the outcome that you would like. And here is a bonus point. Be confident. Guys, if you want a lady to kiss you, you need to be confident. Your confidence will radiate around the room and the lady will think, if he is confident, then, well, I should really be with him, and it will encourage her to take that leap of faith and kiss you. If you create the right environment with things that you say and through your open body language, well, it's fail-proof. If you take these points on board, gentlemen, the girl that you like will want to kiss you in no time. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.